Hello everyone, I want to share some life hack that I built for Matatalab Tale Bot robot, and I made it move on a vertical wall. You will ask me how? Very easy. This small guy can move on a vertical wall using magnets. What you need to do is to buy somewhere in online shop kind of flat rectangular or square magnets. In my case, I'm using 1.7 millimeters thick magnets, and its dimensions are, let's check, like 9, width and height is around 18, yeah. I stick 6 magnets using a double-side tape, but if you will just stick them, depending on your magnet thickness, you might need to put some cardboard between Matatalab and magnet. Because my magnet is not thick enough, I have to use a cardboard between, as you can see, just to make it closer to surface on which wheel moves. Why it's necessary to do it? Because further magnet is from the metal surface, the less power it will have. Wheel of the Matatalab Tale Bot, kind of 3 millimeters. So we can say that between Matatalab case and the surface is 3 millimeters. If you will buy a magnet 2.5 millimeters thick, it can be even better. But in my case, I was using 1.7 millimeters thick magnet, so I have to improvise and add a cardboard. So in my case, it's, if we can compare, let me check how much we have with magnet. Oops. Okay, so it's in my case it's 0.7 between wheel and magnet. And after you do this, now you can launch your Matatalab on a blackboard, and kids can see Matatalab moves in whole classroom. I think it can be huge improvement because you can just draw squares on a blackboard and then launch Matatalab. And now I will show you how we can do this. Unfortunately, I don't have blackboard with me, but I have a fridge surface. Due to the fact that magnets are not so powerful enough, but you can here improvise and add more magnets. In my case, I can launch Matatalab only from top to bottom. Now I will show you how, just to show that it's vertical. And I have a pre-created program. And as I said, you can draw squares on a blackboard. And now everyone in the classroom can see what's happening around. I think it's a cool life hack. And also you can see, yeah, Matatalab cannot climb up, but here we can just ask Matatalab manufacturer, maybe they can help us to figure it out. Yeah. Thank you for watching. I hope that this advice will help you with your small cute tailbots, and it will improve your classroom education activities.